Now, as we've been telling you all morning long, we are on storm watch. The rain is here right in time for your morning commute. And here's a live look for you from one of the KDKA mobile weather labs out on the Parkway East in Monroeville near the Turnpike. And when it comes to this rain, Heather and Ron, it can certainly be a challenging experience because especially if there's like little spots of ponding on the road.
Is it that this may actually be an okay thing, but I can't remember the last time we had a big soaker like this, Ron.
It's been a while, and I'll have to look back to see. We're looking at probably more than an inch of rain that's going to come through today. I'm saying basically between an inch to 2 inches, but I think most communities are right there around an inch by the end of the day today. Best chance for rain is actually starting to occur right now through the next 2 to 3 hours. We'll say up through about 9 o'clock. That's when our rain rates are expected to be the highest. And unfortunately, that's right as the morning rush is really kind of getting going right in the core of that. Right now, some of the heaviest of the rain is going to be from Newcastle over into western parts of Allegheny County, right on top of northern Washington County as well. But we have more. As we zoom out just a little bit, you can see just down to the southwest around the Parkersburg area, we have some really steady rain that's about to rotate through. That's going to be the heaviest rain rates of the day, most likely, that'll come through. Hey, now this model data, I'm probably not going to show it anymore because the new data that just came in is just way too high. Generally, what we're looking at is about an inch of rain, and the best chance for that is going to be now through the morning hours, and then we'll drop our rain chances. Still a solid chance for rain this afternoon, but nothing like what we should see this morning with the lion's share of rain being possible. So it's rain showers for us, but you'll notice down to our south, it's going to be those stormy conditions that we're looking at. They've also extended part of that marginal risk into extreme southern parts of our area, where we might get a thunderstorm. That's where the warmest of the air is going to be confined to. You can see that warm front right there just to the south of Morgantown at this time. So a rainy day for us, stormy conditions down south, especially if you're traveling into West Virginia or parts of Maryland today. You can see those yellows and the greens kind of sliding in from the south with the steady rain expected over the course of the day. We go from rain to a chance for some snow as we're heading into the midnight hour and into Friday. But by the time the sun comes up on Friday, the rain, the moisture, it's out of here, and sunshine is starting to move in as a cloud slide to our southeast. So there's your forecast. You see a perfect 100% chance for rain today. I will drop that down a very low 30% chance on Friday as rain and snow wraps up the day, or starts off the day, but most of the day will be dry. 46 right now for your temperature. The wind out of the east-northeast at 9 miles an hour. I will say that wind speeds late afternoon, evening hours, overnight will pick up between around 20 and 25 miles an hour. Wind gusts could top 30 miles an hour. Temperatures, there they are currently, 45 in Cranberry, Washington at 50. We're expecting a high temperature today of 52 degrees in Pittsburgh. Not as warm, though, just off to the north with places like Butler and Katanning probably failing to hit the 50-degree mark. There's how I think the day breaks down. If you are in Pittsburgh, 1 o'clock 50 degrees at 4, and your 7-day outlook, 52 today. Cold air rolls in tomorrow, and our high temperature just at 45 degrees. 54 your Saturday high as we roll into spring. Spring starting just before 6 o'clock in the morning, and the Sunday high coming in at 64 degrees on Sunday. And next week, at least as we're starting the work week, a lot of sunshine through Tuesday, and those temperatures well into the 60s each one of those days also.